How to log into AliExpress. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into AliExpress account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now logging into your AliExpress account is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the AliExpress application, and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface, where first of all you can simply select your country or region. Now there are many ways to do this. Just come to the account tab over here. Tap the sign in or register option. Now you can tap on more options first. You can choose to simply sign in with your email address. Once you enter your email, on the next page, make sure to enter your password. But easiest way is, if your AliExpress account was linked with either your Google, Facebook, Twitter account or your Apple ID if you're using an iPhone, you can simply choose to log in with those devices by selecting continue with Google, selecting an account that you would like to log in with, and then you'll get successfully logged into AliExpress. That's all it takes to log into AliExpress. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.